Hi everyone, welcome back to the HavaTech Showcase. I'm here with Steve Scorzetti, representing Cardon, Solomon & Associates and Salamander Designs. Steve, thanks so much for coming out today.
Happy to be here, thank you.
Thank you. I'm really excited to learn more about Salamander. Obviously, when it comes to AV-specific furniture, mounts, things like that. Can you give me an overview of maybe their overall company and offerings right now?
Sure. What's great about Salamander is that it's a full American-made company. They're based in Connecticut, and it's more of a mount than it is furniture. Right. So it's a mount disguised as furniture. So what they can do, they do the whole conference room. Here to the right we have one of their newer credenzas. So this credenza is freestanding. So if the client changes their mind, they can move this from place to place without having to call in an electrician or the carpenter to put backing in to hold a display. They're custom made. But so this is one particular one. You can put dual displays on here. And I say freestanding, this will even hold a video wall. So it's a true AV equipment. And inside the cabinet, you can add everything from refrigeration to trash cans to full racks and storage. On the top, there's other accessories for charging. You can put them on the side for power. So it's a great design that you can build, and there's multiple flavors of colors.
Excellent.
And design. So
because aesthetics are important, Steve, obviously.
Right, and if you don't have one that's in the mix, right, they will do custom colors.
Fantastic. And that obviously goes for the table designs as well, right?
So the table designs, yes. So they do multiple tables. So from very large conference rooms, again, it's a custom shop, so they can do anything, and all the AV equipment is hidden underneath. So it's perfect for any conference room.
Now, when it comes to the the modular solution and what you see from other competitors as far as AV focused mounting and furniture, where do you really see Salamander setting itself apart? Obviously, other than being provided in America.
Well, that's the biggest one right there. It's made in America, all custom. They are revolutionary in some of their designs. What I don't have here today is a brand new design. It's a cubby for multiple displays. So they're always advancing, always creating new.
Awesome. Awesome.
It's a great company.
Yeah, no, we use it at our own space. We use it a lot in multiple solutions. So thank you so much for coming today and talking to us a little bit about this. And where can everybody find you?
You can reach me through Haverford Systems. My name's Steve Scorzetti, Cardon Solomon, Steve at cardonsolomon.com.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Steve. Really appreciate it.